How's it going, guys? This is Stefan. Wow, it's been a while since my last unboxing video. Actually, it was 2 days ago. Well, yes. My name is Stefan, and today I have something very special. This box came last night about 4 or 5 p.m. Actually, I opened it, but I didn't do the unboxing because I thought that I'm gonna do the unboxing last night, but the lighting was so bad I couldn't wait. I opened just a little bit the box, but now I'm gonna do the full unboxing. Here is something very special that I was waiting since a long time. You know, probably you know, people who follow me on YouTube, you know, I have my YouTube channel since 4 months now, and all my videos have been made with my Pixel SL2, and now I have something very nice here. Probably you know what can be inside. I'm gonna give you a couple of tips, some ideas, you know. So let's start with the items inside. I bought these things, so let's start with the first one from Amazon. Okay, the first one is expandable memory from Seagate, 2 terabytes. That's pretty good because I'm running off memory, guys, you know. I'm running for memory because my Mac 512 SSD just gone, you know, so I had to buy this expandable memory. And now the second thing is yeah, a micro SD card. Well, it's not a micro Extreme Pro 64 gigabytes SanDisk. This is very good. I need this memory card as well. I'm gonna tell you why.
And now, the moment of truth. You know, I didn't was so excited from the first time I connected the free Wi-Fi. Yay!
Guys, my boy, my baby. I'm gonna leave the box. Yes, you know already, this is Canon 200D, or should I say Canon SL2 in some countries. I think 200D is only for Europe, if I'm wrong, or maybe yes. Let me know down below in the comments. This is Canon 200D. This is the best entry-level DSLR, and I'm gonna tell you why you should consider buy this DSLR. My first advice is, if you're starting a YouTube channel right now, don't invest money, don't buy immediately your gears, your cameras. Start with your smartphone. I had a 35, 38, I don't know how many videos for the past 4 months since I started my YouTube channel. All my videos is being made with my Pixel XL2. Brilliant phone for videos. Well, not very good. It's great, but it's not fantastic, you know. But it's been good. So now I decided to step up the game and to be a little bit more professional. I like this, professional. 200D is the best choice for you. My advice is, if you have a YouTube channel or you just start now, start with your smartphone and then save your money. Start to save money and buy 200D or SL2 if you're outside EU. I saved this money for 6 months, guys, believe me, for 6 months. 4 months. Okay, 4 months. My director says 4 months. My director is behind the camera. Hi. So yeah, 4 months. The price of this fantastic DSLR camera is, we bought it from Amazon. The price is £465 with the SSD card. You know, it was a bundle. The camera and the SSD card was £465. That's about nearly 500 USA dollars. Depends. You can buy it. You can find it cheaper, but it was a deal for me. As you can see here, last night I just opened the box. I didn't saw what is inside. I just opened the box because I was thinking to do unboxing last night, but it was late. The lighting was no good, so that's why I'm gonna do the unboxing. You know, this thing is very good for beginners. Not for beginners, it's good for professionals as well. The camera comes with a kit lens, 18 to 55 millimeters, so it's 24.2 megapixels, 5 frames per second, Digic 7 processor, which is a very good processor. You know, this thing is fantastic, believe me. This thing is great for beginners, for videos, for YouTube, for everything, makeup, tutorials, everything. This is fantastic until you know your camera, because you need time. You know, you need to play with the camera because it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not like your smartphone, your iPhone. You just take a photo or video. No, here you need to learn a lot of stuff. So that's why I bought the camera after 4 or 5, 6 months. Because yes, I can invest immediately for the first week since I start my YouTube channel, but there's no point. Save your money. Save your money. Start to save money from now, or if you have the money, don't go straight away buy gears, microphones and stuff. Invest money first and then buy. This is gonna be your first choice. There's 100 choices. I watched many tutorials, videos, you know, comparison, but Canon is the best choice for me. With a dual pixel, let me see. This thing is fantastic. Believe me, this thing has got a dual pixel. Let me see. Dual pixel. So basically, this thing is fantastic for tracking your body. You know, even if you're with a couple of people in the frame, let's say two or three people vlogging. You know, this thing is great for YouTubers, for vloggers, for basically anything. But the dual pixel XL, they're smashing it. You know, most of the cameras these days, they're great. You know, Panasonic, you know, Sony, fantastic cameras. But the dual pixel, the tracking is not good. It's not good. You're not in focus. You know, with these things. This camera is brilliant. Okay, I hope this helps you guys. I don't want to make this video quite long, but you know, I'm excited because this is my fantastic new camera from Canon. You know, you should consider. You can choose. There's a plenty of cameras. There's a plenty of choices, but this thing is my choice. Let's see what's in the box. You have a Canon strap. You need this. Most of the people, nah, I don't need it. Why? You need this. Most of the people think I'm gonna look like some tourist. No, you're gonna look cool because it's from Canon, and you can save your camera. What about if your camera falls down? What's gonna happen? Bam! You're gonna cry. Listen. Don't cry. Okay. So now I'm gonna need this. Most of the people, I'm gonna put this in the bin. Don't do that. Keep it because you need a lot of information. This thing is, it's good to know what you do with your camera. Is okay? Cool, thank you. My director said to move a little bit forward. What you have in the box as well. This is a 3-pin UK adapter. You have the... Sorry guys, I'm gonna make some mess. I'm gonna leave this down. You have the charging point. You can charge your battery here, as you can see, which is very good. What else we have here? Oh, we have the kit lens. 465 pounds with the kit lens. This thing is still, it's still, guys, because I'm watching this camera since long time. It was a great deal. It was like a flash deal for me. Wow. And this thing is great because it's got a stabilization on and off, so stabilize your videos, your pictures, and AF. So this is for the, if I'm wrong, this is for the manual focusing. If I'm wrong, please let me know, guys. I don't know. I need to be prepared, but you know, I'm so excited. So this is the camera, the kit lens, and finally, $200D or SL2. Okay, so this, as you can see, is the 200D. It's beautiful. This thing is great. So small. You know, it's got a flip screen. It's got a flip screen. It's a touch screen. Wow, I'm gonna do a review, guys, but I need to play with this camera. I'm gonna leave this down. Guys! Oh, guys, sorry. Oh my god, see, my director saved me. I forgot my battery. So this is the battery for the Canon. Thank you very much, director. I'll buy you a beer tonight. Okay, so let's see how big is the battery. So the battery is LP17 1500. No, it's 10,400. Okay, that's okay. We need a couple of batteries. Always it's good to have 2 spare batteries. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you want to buy some batteries from Amazon. Because I'm gonna purchase a couple of batteries, because I don't want to be only with one battery if you do some videos, pictures. Guys, sorry about that if the video is not very excited for you. See, I forgot the battery. But yeah, this is Canon 200D SL2. I'm gonna do a couple of reviews later on when I play with the camera. And yes, this is Stefan. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in next video.